Hello, this is Dave. In today's video, I'm going to cover the various things you ought to be doing with the corporate benefits that Microsoft provides for you in the fourth quarter. For more information on Microsoft benefits, please visit our Microsoft benefits resource page, which is in the summary box below. There are really 5 things that you need to be thinking about in the fourth quarter. The first of these is deferred compensation. Remember, if you're level 67 or above, you get 2 deferred comp elections per year. The May election is for the following year's bonus, which you can do up to 100%. The November election is for next year's salary, of which you can do up to 75% deferral. It's important to think this through carefully. What you don't want to do is overcommit, go, hey, I'm going to go 75%, and find that to be too much and put too much of a stress on you and your family. Or on the other hand, undercommit and say, well, I'll do 20 or 30%, and find out that you could have done a little bit more and save some money in taxes. So think this through, do some cash flow planning, etc. Get it right. Number 2 is stock awards. You have grants that come due in November. We always encourage you to sell those awards, diversify your assets. You don't want to get overweight in the same company that you work for. Number 3, life insurance and health plan review. November timeframe, open enrollment. You say, well, hey, everything was great last year. It's probably okay this year. Well, ask yourself a few questions. 1, did I get married? 2, did I get divorced? 3, did I have a child? 4, did I buy a home? Right? All of these things should trigger a review of your life insurance and your health insurance. The 4th thing is charitable giving review, tax loss harvesting. This is a great way to lower your taxes. Right? This is something you should consult with your CPA on and find out if this is right for you. Number 5, ESPP. We always recommend you sell those shares that you bought at a discount in the month of December. So sell your ESPP, charitable giving, healthcare review, stock grants, and then we start off with deferred compensation. Again, I'm Dave Welty. Please reach out if we can ever be of assistance. My contact information is below. Thanks again for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.